Do you have ancestors in the Netherlands or Scotland? Before you pay for another subscription, let me show you the free websites that could save you money and maybe break your brick wall. Hey, if we've not met before, I'm Michelle, and I'm on a mission to grow a community of like-minded family history buffs who want to find their ancestors without wasting time or money. In part 1 of this series, we covered several powerful free European websites. But today, we're diving into 2 countries viewers specifically asked about: the Netherlands and Scotland. Let's start with the Netherlands. If you have Dutch ancestors, one of your first stops should be WieWasWie. This is the central search portal for many archives across the Netherlands, and it is incredibly powerful. On WieWasWie, you can find civil registration records for births, marriages, and deaths, along with church records and population registers. One reason this site is so valuable is that the Netherlands began keeping excellent civil records starting in 1811 during the Napoleonic period. Many of these records are indexed, searchable, and often include digital images. Here's something I want you to remember. Not every result on WieWasWie includes an image. When there is no image attached, look carefully for a link to the original archive listed in the record. That extra click often leads you to the full document. Another excellent free site for Dutch research is Open Archives. This site gathers data from many Dutch archives and sometimes finds records that WieWasWie misses. Open Archives has very flexible name searching and does a nice job handling spelling variations, which is extremely helpful with Dutch names. This site is completely free to search and usually links back to the original archive. Now, I don't have Dutch ancestry myself, but when I was researching and learning about these websites, it was recommended that you search both WieWasWie and Open Archives because each site can catch records the other one misses, and using both together gives you much better coverage. You should also not overlook FamilySearch. Even though many of us already use it, FamilySearch has very strong collections for the Netherlands, including civil registration, church books, and population registers. However, this is where many people miss important records. Some of the best Dutch material on FamilySearch is not indexed and exists only as browse-only images. So be sure to check the catalog and use full-text search when it is available. That extra step can uncover records that do not appear in simple name search. Now let's travel over to Scotland, because many of my viewers were absolutely right to bring this up. Scotland has some of the best centralized genealogy records in Europe. The main site you need to know is ScotlandsPeople. This is the official government genealogy website. Now here's the important detail. Searching the indexes on ScotlandsPeople is free, but viewing most record images does require credits. Even so, this site absolutely deserves a place in any free genealogy website list. The free index search can help you break brick walls, confirm locations, identify the correct family, and avoid spending money on the wrong records. And occasionally, you will find some free images in certain older record sets. Another excellent and often overlooked resource is the National Records of Scotland, usually shortened to NRS. This site offers a surprising amount of free material. Now, I want to clarify something important here. The NRS website provides a fully searchable online catalog of their records. That means that you can search and discover what records exist, which is incredibly helpful for planning your research. However, in most cases, you cannot view the actual records online through the NRS catalog. To see the original documents, or in some cases digital or microfilm copies, you typically need to visit their search rooms in Scotland or request copies directly from the archive. Some digitized material, especially certain wills and maps, may be accessible either in person or through ScotlandsPeople, but the NRS site itself is primarily a finding aid rather than a full image database. So think of it this way: NRS helps you identify what exists and where it's held, while Scotland's People is where you'll usually view indexed records and purchase images online. One more free gem is Scottish Indexes. This volunteer-driven site focuses on unique Scottish record sets that a lot of genealogists overlook. It is especially helpful for poor law records, mental health records, prison records, and court materials. These types of records can add incredible detail to your ancestor's story when traditional records run dry. So if you have ancestors from the Netherlands or Scotland, you now have some of the best free places online to start digging. And honestly, when these sites are used well, they can rival many paid subscriptions. If this video helped you, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up. It really does help show my videos to more people. And tell me in the comments, what country should we cover next? I'm always looking for ideas for future episodes. Well, that's it for today, folks. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your research, and I'll see you in the next one.